What are we doing today?
We're unboxing this.
Ooh, what is it?
I don't know.
Is it for VIPKid?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it a new reward system?
It's for school though.
Awesome, let's open it up. Oops.
Yeah, I feel thrilled.
We're about to open up our new reward system. Let's see what we got. We got this from Etsy.
Yeah, we got this from Etsy. Whoa.
What is it?
Oh,
Show the camera.
there's May.
That is Meg.
Look at that funny sticker, guys.
These have vocabulary from every unit. So level 4, unit 3, those are the vocabulary. And these are games. Wow, there are so many.
There's Meg.
I got a free Halloween one. So you buy 3, you get 1 free. I spent $40. Not a big deal.
Whoa.
What else is in there? What's in there?
Wow.
Okay, so here are the candies for that Halloween one. And they come with, you pay a little bit extra for the magnets versus the Velcro.
Can we have one of those candy things?
Yes, and you put this, you put this on your magnet board, and then this will stick right on there to get candies.
Oh, I want to do it.
Yes,
right
we will set it
now.
up. And then the rest of these, oh, and they have magnets already on them, so they will stick on your magnet board.
Let's set it up.
And then here are the numbers.
Could we do it right now?
So, I mean, you can make this at home, but it's really easy just to order it. And so then your numbers cover, and you play Find a Star. So they pick number 6, they found a star. If they pick a different number and they say, well, what is this? Oh, it's sushi. This must be a lesson on Japan.
Oh, but how do you get off the tape?
Or, I guess they have sushi in China too. But anyways, I got these from Etsy. They're really cool, and I really like this seasonal one.
Yeah, Canberra, this is lovely.
Lovely. Thank you,
Even
Etsy.
as it goes. Thank you, Every.
Oh, and here's the robot. That goes with, where's my robot lesson? Oh, wait. Look at all these for each level. These are so cool. I love this. Teacher Lisa's Time Savers. You rock, Teacher Lisa. Thank you very much. Totally awesome. I'll let you guys know how it goes using these rewards. Bye.
Wow, these are like little connectors. Wow, they connect to each other.
Yes, they have magnets.
Ooh,
Little robots.
let's connect them.
I have a lot of kids who like robots. And then here is a closer look at
Okay, let's get.
these sheets
Ooh, what is that?
with all the vocab,
This is a
lunchbox.
pretty wrapping. I wonder what I felt. Oh, there's more things in here, Mom.
What is it?
It's more magnet
What
stuff.
kind? Oh, it's X's and O's. We can play. This is for playing tic-tac-toe with the Halloween game. Whoa.
Nothing else in here. No, there's nothing else in here.
Okay, bye.
Bye.